Hello, fellers and fellettes, and welcome to, and my wife is watching me laughing. Anyway, welcome to OAM Garage number 2, and got a couple of things I want to do here. Beautiful day. Looks like it's about maybe 75 degrees out. It's kind of warm. But there's a couple things I want to cover, so come on. So when you come outside and your wife is working, and she said, now this is for the men. Women already know what it means. So, fellas, when your wife is outside working in the yard and you come outside for the first time in the morning, you know, and she looks at you and she says, hey, listen, when you get a chance, all right, ladies, what does that mean? Okay, for us dumb men, what it means is, I need for you to do this right now. You see where I'm going there? Yeah. So what I ended up doing was she wanted me to cut some trees down. So that's what I did. Here we go. So this was a thicket. You can see one place over there. All of this, all of that, which is something I probably should have done, you know, back when the high winds and tornado came through. So I had to clean this all out all the way up to, and those are our blueberry bushes. So the backdrop is going to look a little different now. There's my truck, and as I told y'all before, if you see that thing spinning, the wind is blowing. And you can see the weather up there is starting to change. I think it's going to rain tomorrow. Anyway, so what I was kind of wanting to do here is today, I want to scope out what it's going to take this out. I'm not going to do it today. I just want to scope it out to see what it's going to take to come up about this far here, cut across, and replace. So what I want to do, it's got a little, so I've got a bender, and I've got the metal and everything, and I just cut myself. There you go. Okay. For all you people with, I'm on a blood thinner, so it doesn't take much for me to bleed. Raspberry. Anyway, so I want to, from about right here, cut this out, make this piece right here, this little lip comes all the way across to here. Let me see if you can see see how it is over there. So I'm going to unbolt it here, come across right above this to right there, and then go back down. Okay, so that's what the plan is. But for now, we're going to come back over here and work on this. I have to get a band-aid for that, I guess. And I got it moving, you see? Yep. So what we're going to try to do, oh, looky here. Got it coming out. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up. Now this piece here is supposed to move too. So what we got to do is we got to work on that too. All right. Well, I'll be back in a second. I got to go work on this. Whatever. Well, also I wanted to come back over here because I wanted you to know what I used to do all that with. And for all you husbands out there that don't want to spend all that time on a gas chainsaw, this is a Stihl. The number is 120C, MSA 120C. I'm gonna tell you what, man, this thing does the job. I've also got a steel gas one, you know, 2-cycle. It don't hold a candle to this thing. I'm gonna tell you, I never, during a job, I never have to recharge it. This thing is unbelievable. This is the battery pack right here. And I mean, it just stays charged while you're working. I cut all of that out there. That whole thicket with that saw right there, and that's it. And I'm gonna tell you what, man, that is one good saw right there. On my other steel, and like any other saw, it fouls out about halfway through the job. Then you can't ever get it started again. Not this thing. Man, this thing goes on and on. This has been a public announcement from OAM Garage to all those needy husbands out there. Alright, so the deal here is I'm going to use this here file to kill that there roach and to make this pretty so that it is a usable piece. Now, I'm going to paint this thing just to make it look pretty. I don't know, but I might. This thing is actually in pretty good shape since I haven't used it in probably 20 or 30 years. I brought me some Earl for it too. Freol, that's what I use. Freol. Some good stuff. I picked it up at Tractor Store. Jeff, I'm sorry, man. I couldn't find the stuff you was talking about. In fact, I couldn't remember the name of it when I was at the Tractor Store, so what do you do, right? But I did write, though, Jeff, where I didn't know where to pick any up. And by the time I was going to go to the Tractor Store, I didn't see where you had answered. Well, that's pretty good. I wonder what Willie Nelson's doing today. I need to call him again. He was real happy to get his guitar back. Tell you what, that's some pretty good stuff. Look at my hands. I'll be going to church tomorrow with these hands. I guarantee you. One of y'all at church tomorrow will have to look me up and see if my hands are still dirty. They won't be, I hope. Yeah, I ought to be doing this on my welding table instead of on. How's that? Well, my Band-Aid's hanging in there. Now it's gotten up to probably 80 degrees. You gotta admit, that's a lot better than it was. Yes, it was London bridges falling down. I am so proud of y'all. I'm gonna spray this with some looby dooby. Gonna get through this. Goozle looby dooby. Know what I mean? Alright, let's see if we can get the other thing going. Probably not. Whew, that ain't gonna be as easy. Oh, getting a little rusty. It's getting a little rusty right there, isn't it? Yep. What do you do? Alright. So, what we got here is I pull this up some, and I'm going to pick the back of this up and see how much leveler it's going to get, and I should be able to move it anyway. Right? Right. So right. Okay, that's not near level, but I ought to be able to go up with this. It's getting there. Don't need this anymore. Boom! Alright. That's looking good. No, not that way. How much more do I need to go? Oh, about like that. Hope I got that much. I think I do. That's why I wanted this to go up some. But that's a whole lot better than it was. Yeah, I can deal with that. Alright. That's all you get. Alright, well that's all you get. Alright, so let's look at this. Wait a minute. I said let's look at this over here. You're as bad as P-Roy. Alright, so the deal here is you see all these bolts through here? Those go onto the other side that have nuts on them. Alright, so I'm going to take all these bolts off, and this piece this piece is this piece. No, it's not. I see it. It's on there. Okay. This piece is different from this piece. Is it? Yes. Okay. So sandwiched in between these two is this piece. So I've got to get in there, unbolt these, and this apparently, and it doesn't look like it is, but I'm going to, and which I've never done before. Can you see me? Let's let you go up some. Usually when I make adjustments, it's not a good thing. But anyway, so I'm going to spot weld this piece. I'm going to drill this out and spot weld this piece back in here. I only have to do from here down. So we're only talking about this much. So, but that's what we're going to do, and I guess that will be my Monday show. Why did you fall over again? What is going on with you? I need to get better help. Look at this. Oh, was that one? Okay. All right. Anyway, so I guess that will be my Monday show of next week. Is we'll get this cut out. I appreciate you guys hanging around and helping me get that done. And I may not have to take out all these that I'm thinking. I'm just going to take these 3 out. Yep. So anyway, all right. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for dropping in. This has been OAM Garage 2. And oh, by the way, God loves you. Okay, God loves you. So why don't you do something for Him to let Him know that you love Him back? Okay. Let me take this. Okay. All right, then I'll see y'all next week, next Monday. And go over and look at my main channel. It's OAM Garage. All right then. See y'all later.